Jacob. Where are we right now?
We're at Motorbike on flat.
Hagrid's. Think we're gonna have fun?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Hi.
Oh, waiting for the doors not here?
We're in the line still.
Yep.
Pretty cool stuff there.
Oh yeah.
Just wandering through the line. Jake. Why are you making me do this?
Why are you making me do this?
Come on now, can you move on? Got a big trip for you today. Great lesson. Everyone here? Right. Follow the
Jake, look at the dragon eggs.
Oh yeah.
See the dragon eggs? Oh boy.
Attention. For everyone's safety, loose articles are not permitted on the motorbikes. This will include bags, backpacks, purses, wands, oversized cameras, creatures, souvenir cups, mugs, and any other loose articles that cannot comfortably fit into your pocket. Please be advised that all lanyards must be tucked into your shirt, and the hats must be removed prior to boarding. If you have to have any questions, please speak with the nearest staff member.
Are you a nearest step? No, you're not.
No, not enough. Yeah.
Why are you in the cave?
I don't know.
Thank you for visiting the Universal Orlando Resort. Face coverings are required in packs and at all attractions regardless of vaccination status. Thank you for your cooperation and enjoy your day.
Used to have hundreds of them.
If you're expecting me,
Another cave. Another cave.
Okay. In my pocket.
What'd you think?
Good.
Good.
Absolutely.
How was it?
Fantastic.
Just good.
Yeah.
Nothing more than that. Just good. It wasn't terrific. It wasn't awesome. It was just good. Oh, it felt good to be on a motorbike again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Motorbike Jimmy is coming back.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of these guys.